I'm Tammy. I'm one of Dr. Bieman's nurses. I'm his laser and skincare specialist. One of the many things that I do here at the office is CoolSculpt. CoolSculpt has been around for about 6 years. We were one of the first in the country to have it here. We've treated a lot of patients in the last 6 years, and most of our patients have had really good results with it. Jeremy is one of our patients that had CoolSculpt this summer. He was a great candidate for CoolSculpt. He was mostly concerned with fat around his abdomen and love handles. And so we have Jeremy here with us today, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about his experience. Jeremy, when you first came in, I believe it was back in June, what were your concerns that you had? What was your reason for coming here to the office?
It's something that kind of runs in my family with the men in my family. We all tend to have like the lovely muffin top, or, I call them hate handles because I don't love anything about them. It was just a problem that I've kind of dealt with my whole life that, I just decided I wanted to try and do something about it without cutting into me or having any kind of downtime from work.
So when you first came in, we looked at you and we took photos and determined that we were going to do 12 cycles of CoolSculpt on your abdomen and love handles. Can you tell me a little bit about your experience that day that you were here? Because we did all 12 cycles that day.
Well, to be completely honest, you couldn't have made it any more comfortable. The way I was positioned in the chair, with all the pillows that you surrounded me with, I was very, very comfortable throughout the whole treatment, including being able to just watch TV and check email. You even provided lunch for me, which was really, really nice.
Was the treatment uncomfortable when you were connected to the device?
Just a very little bit of discomfort in the very beginning when it first attached, but as the cooling process started within minutes, it was pretty much numb and very comfortable from there on out.
Some people after their treatment, they'll get a little sore, they'll have some discomfort. Did you have much discomfort afterwards?
Very little. It definitely had a little bit of like a numbness, tingling feel, mainly to the touch. I was expecting to be a little uncomfortable or have some soreness, but it really wasn't that bad at all personally. As far as bruising, there was very little on my back. On my whole abdomen area, I had none at all, which all that went away, within about a week or so.
And how long do you think it took before you started seeing results?
Honestly, I started seeing results well before that. I would have to say at the 3 to 4 week mark, I could already start telling, and from then on, each week it just seemed to get better and better. The pants started to get bigger and bigger. I was able to even drop about 2 sizes, matter of fact, around my waist, which was even more exciting. Even been able to pull out some old, smaller t-shirts that I haven't been able to wear in years and feel comfortable in them.
So overall, would you say your experience with CoolSculpt, were you pretty pleased?
I've already recommended so many people. I actually even took some of your pamphlets with me after my 6-week checkup just to even help better explain to other people, to hopefully give them the opportunity to at least come in for a free consult and see if it could help them.
Thank you, Jeremy.
You're so welcome.